Alright, so if you're watching the video for the first time, please make sure you subscribe. If you watch it already and you never subscribe, make sure you subscribe right now. Big up yourself.
Mommy, you not cook me hungry, you know?
Not there for eat, my daughter. I know say you're hungry because you not eat from morning. But don't worry yourself.
Me hungry bad. I need all that happen.
I mean, I have no money to buy no pill for you. But don't worry yourself. Maybe when your father come, he will bring something for you. So you can get it to eat. I know say you're hungry, my darling. But don't worry yourself. Me just clean out the house, you know. You can't take off your shoes.
Who you feel see I talk to? Me I talk to? As a matter of fact, look over this. The clothes them did it. They wash, as a matter of fact. They wash. Them wash me ask you a question. The clothes must sling down like talk to me now. You look for me like say.
What me do to you? What make you go on? So every time you go out and coming back, you just dung in me, they cuss me. The clothes them wash. Me clean the house today, me wash the clothes, then me just take them up on a file line. I tired, make me sit down right here. So not every 2 minutes me not sit down, you come in and start shout out for me.
And that's really I say? You have them over there so you close them fit there so I just them to keep. Let me tell you something, man. When me go to work, me can't tell the people them say, alright, hold off on the money. You understand me? I say me can't do that. So what me need to do is to do what you have to do. As a matter of fact, I say, yo, me can't bother with certain things with you, you know. Me can't bother with your style. You understand me? I say? Because you feel like say going out doing all these things is easy. You think it's easy?
Calm down, man.
Calm down. There's no calming down for get stuff done. See? You see that bag up on my back, it's heavy. Look for the bus out the door. Me and I have to take taxi.
You talk
me talking. See? Look for the bus out there. So no long want if insurance license because of me alone that struggle. You have me, I do everything. Housework and work. You have to understand that. You cook food you have to eat. Me come in hungry, what me fi do now? You cook, me there hungry right now reach home and yeah look down like you pig, only pig look around you know. Look up on me, I talk to you man. You have to know what you're doing.
You see how you're going? All of the neighbors them know say how you treat me. You treat me bad and me not do nothing to you. You're going like me not help do nothing at all in my house. Me walk around and wash people dirty clothes. Enough time when you not no money for carry near. For we have something to eat and me go wash people dirty clothes. You know say you're ungrateful. But the one little time now me not have no money for look about nothing for you get to eat. You come in and curse me. Me I'll take up your clothes then.
Daddy, me hungry.
You hungry? Ask your mama to cook food for you. So if you come in and cook food, there's a big place up which by your dad them live. Them live in a big house, them have room for you, you know. Because I can't work with certain things, you know. I want to understand what I talk about. And you have to go care that one day too. Because me now live far in the house unattended because he says that underage pitney. So if me feel left far now when you up so me gonna have problem. So I have to protect myself.
How are you trying?
Listen to what me I try to tell you.
I run me out.
And I run me around you, I'm gonna tell you say you can't walk. Read between the lines, read over the lines, read under the line. He can't go. Me can't.
So me can't stay in my house now.
No matter if I stay in my house, you have to understand the circumstances. If you're not put in, me have to put you out. Easy as said. So
what about the time that we used to put in?
Which time?
How only what time I put in when you not carrying nothing?
Me just say what your mouth say, me not carry nothing. The one time when you go up at the pastor house and beg him look at yam and dasheen and come cook in the one pot, and that you talk about, it not gonna work. It not gonna work. You understand me? I say, because I have always been the person who provide financially. You understand me? I say, but I realize, say, listen to me, I say to you.
You want talk and you don't want me to talk. The one time when I go up at the pastor and get the dasheen, you enjoy a minute though.
Yeah, because of what? If you bring it, never eat it. That's how you go. So what you make it sound like?
You name it off and not left none for we pick me. What you expect we should do?
No, but if you left my plate, I'm for do. Left food in my plate to pick me.
You know, so I'm not argue with you.
Pick up a clothes,
I'm not argue with you.
Pick up a clothes, because me tell you say now work, you know. Me tell you say now work, you think I joke. Take up my bag, yeah.
I run with you.
I don't run with you. I tell you say
so
now.
So you expect me to go? You tell me my daughter got
no
divorced.
space.
You must run here and run with you.
Let me tell you this. See, it's not about run me and run you out. It's just a situation.
Then when me go stay, me go carry, me can't leave and me have to go carry with
your daughters will provide for you at some point, right? I feel say it better for you. Some divine power just talk to me today on the way. I say it will be better. Just think about it.
And that make you really run me out or
run me out? Consider say me not run you out. No.
Just then give me no time to talk. Anytime we don't keep woman with you, no woman. That's so much fun.
Alright, do what you have to do. But me I tell you say.
Me might tell me say woman you have, you know, that's why you want to come out here. You know want me see what you do. But everything good. I left it to time here.
Right. 10-10, me no feel some more happy, you know.
What you mean?
Boy, how mommy treat we?
You still depend that, you just depend that. You feel let that go. You see, even though mommy not treat we good, we learn from that and know say we grow up a certain way and we still up to know we want our care and we say why we should do it. So this just teach you to be strong and if you have one people, if you love them, take care of them, not let them go. Because we have worked towards it.
You can't say anything. Me no feel some ready. Mommy treat me too bad. And me feel some me don't know how to treat one pitney. You see, because mommy never did it for me don't know how to love one pitney. Me don't know.
So you carry on that the trait. So in order if me get pregnant now, you try to tell me say you're not gonna love your one niece or nephew?
No, me will love my niece or my nephew because of my niece or my nephew, but I'm not my pitney. Me just feel say that me I go be auntie, me not go be mommy.
Babes, I hope you not bother cuss me now. I want work, me go look some dirty clothes to wash, but me not get through.
So you go. Come down and see me talk to you. Go down here, sir. Because you don't understand life, you know what going on. Take this thing for joke. You see, since you said the neighbor them are going to hear my mouth when me talk, come closer to the doorstep here. Come on. I want to talk to you. Really can't work out. Make up my mind. Confirm say it not gonna work. You see up here, daughter them house, you have to go up there. See, I'm serious. I'm gonna talk to you. Feel you tell me say, you know, your opinion is valid all these things. And yes, when you left, pack up the things then, I'm gonna carry Jade with you. I guess I know. A daughter feel raised around her mama. You understand?
If you God said Jay that for me and your pitney, you put out me and you put out your own child out of your house. Where you expect if you go? You tell me about daughter and house and one or something. So me must left go up there now.
Alright, me tell you this. You can tell me anything you want to tell me. Me need if you go up for your pitney them. Them have space for you up there and as me tell you before you need to carry Jade. You say I'm a pitney, yeah I'm a pitney, but me done till I already say a pitney, a girl pitney for raise around them mama. You understand that? And me I give you tail well. A matter of fact, till the sun set, just pack up the things and go on. You see sky? Angle bangle.
So me must left go up there now. And you don't know the situation between me and them two daughters the way they up there so. You know say me and them cannot agree. They don't like me because they say me give them to their father. And you know in yourself say, it's not me. Me never have it. You understand? The father take them because them have money. Me did have to send them.
Where you explain it?
I know you. I can't tell me something if you go up there, if they can run me out.
They're not gonna run you out. See? And guess what now? My decision is final. My decision is final. Conversation locked. Waste my time. Remember now, you know?
What you saying make no sense, but me tell you a long time, you know, me go to counseling and everything and me feel better. You need to take like a counseling too because you're a big man, Brit, but I know you not get over it. Me not get over it neither because every day I ask myself why. But you need like a counseling, man.
Yeah, speak up the devil.
Answer? Answer.
Hello?
Put it on speaker.
May I open it for put it on speaker? Hello?
Hello. My daughter.
The only time you call through the phone now when you want something for beg. What you want?
What you mean? And me no quarreling
Mommy.
right now.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom, we don't know.
Me just ask her please if you no can put me up there until me get somewhere else to go when me get a job.
See with who?
Jada father run me out and every minute him a fight me and no care what me do in my house, he say me not do nothing. Me not even eat from morning. Me I go come up there. Me can come.
Hear what, Mommy?
Yeah.
We're going to talk over things a bit and then we get back to you.
Alright then, yeah. Alright.
You gonna make she out on the street or make man abuse her?
If it did left up to she, we not alive to the day.
But look here, look what we accomplished. We might not furnish the place and everything, but you work towards it.
Next time you call, you not get my phone.
No, we have to make she come. You must have been rent it over this way, you know?
You see how she wait until daddy dead before she call and want to reunite with we. I sent him a beg, a homeless. I wouldn't even call that name there.
It could help if she come, alright then. It's like how they go rent the place, make she come and help pay bills them. And she stay over there.
You know, mommy not want to pay bills. I go talk about it, we can't pay him for the 9 months when carry with her.
No, she can't say that, man. I need she in her, Brittany.
Well, me and my better go sleep, Panny.
I'm going to make she come. If anything, she stay in for me quarters then. And I work towards it.
No, I can't stay in I'm here you help build for we quarters and I'm here you help build. No.
You can't so bitter.
Fling him in the one with daddy dead left. Make daddy trouble him in the night time.
Mommy, where we are go?
Don't worry about that, man. You're gonna be alright.
It better we stay with your daddy there, no? Better we stay here.
You really want me to stay with your father? You know see your father treat me? He never they treat me good. And me can't afford to leave you with him, your girl child. You better you stay with your mother more than me go leave you with man. Anything can happen. May I carry you with me?
So, mommy, we can come look for daddy some my time?
Yes. You can come look for your father anytime. But right now, me have to just do our best. Just to peace sake, me have to leave. So come on. Heavy.
Sister, you
Sister, where?
take time. Remember, say we just
10.
pick up the house.
You can't go help me take down the
Tell
bag.
her, say, you know, if you come, mommy.
May I beg you help me take down the bag?
Especially with that, where that I go?
Brittany, come help me take down the bag.
Take down which bag? We didn't invite you, yeah?
You can't invade people's privacy,
My
so
baby,
mommy.
help
You
me take down
can't
the bag.
invade people's privacy. Look at my cheat.
Oh. So you never want to struggle in a life with we, but you are struggling a life with that. That you
You say
pick
you're
up.
alone and come. So where you go with that? When can you left him, man, where you beat you take him pitney and you love him pitney. But for your father, you just left we alone with him. As in dead and gone, you want to come rescue.
And I carry next man picking you coming out with at the house. Nothing of this. I prefer burn you down before you come in at this.
My father not there.
Shut up, I shut to you.
No, not do that. I got to pitney. I like a pitney that. Don't do that. But respectfully, mommy, if you can please exit the premises before we have to call police. Because I look up out your plan to a cement, you will have to be. So just go on back up, because we need to say okay, bag and the luggage. So have a good day. Work.
May I beg you to hear me out, please. Me never abandon to know. You already know say your father family them have money. Him have money too. And him carry me go court. So the judge send out the law. Say me must stay far from you because me no have it for help you. Me couldn't support you. And your father decide, he make up his mind say, me no fi have nothing to do with him picking them. Because he never liked me. Please forgive me. Me never have no other alternative. You understand? Do me I beg you no. Me I ask you no forgive me. Because me no have nowhere else to go. His father run we out and remember say I'm no smaller sister. Me can't leave her down there with him because me know how he stay and the same wickedness when he do to me. You see when he can't catch me, he might go take out it on her and me can't bear to stay away from her and then she down there under beer pressure. He kill me with lick. Me no want to kill him with lick. Please, do not take me in, please. Me not
make daddy name rest.
Me not have nowhere else to go.
Tell mommy when daddy did living, you still never come none at all. We used to go to school, don't it? You did show up at school gate, can even say alright, even can look for we, so we know say.
Me I beg you, please forgive me. Enough time me come at the gate and on the inside, and then me have to leave from the gate. Me can't call you.
Don't talk to my mother.
Shut up your mouth. Bell have to
Have manners.
when they talk to you.
Have manners. Your bigger sister, them. Don't follow them. You don't listen to me, please. Me not have nowhere to go up on the roadside. Me I go sleep tonight. You no prefer no mother sleep on the road, especially when me have one smaller sister. You don't have this a big house here. You don't rather put me outside.
Lady, be quiet. You and the bellhop go on back home.
Mommy, come.
You don't know if it's hard to
Listen to
listen.
your idiot. Go on. At least you have a little sense. Go on.
God, please, me I beg you.
The little girl come like a bed bug. And me just look on her and nine. The little girl come like a bed bug. You hear me out there tell mommy say?
Watch him.
What?
Watch him.
Brittany, we can't do this. Me can't live with this. I still my mother, you know. Me can't. Mommy! Me have to stay up. Me can't do it. Come!
Where am I going?
No, Brittany, you can't do that. I'm mother regardless. And me can't live with it. Me have to make example, man.
So we have to carry bed bug, go?
Should be gate and come.
But yeah, work good with the gate, man. You can sleep right out there and turn security.
Close back the gate and man, you make dog come in. You not reach there so yet.
You can't help me take down the bag.
Good one. See bell up there.
Help me take down the bag.
Bed bug help me take down the bag.
We'll let you in. You should be grateful for that.
Mommy, you are going to go on now. You are going to stay in the basement. Not down there, but you can stay down there. You have to go look for work, or we have to rent it upstairs. But you still have to go look for work to maintain you and her and give you one little change to put towards a light bill. And anything you can come if you put in the fridge and so, you know, say, you have to pay for it. Like water, we're not going to use bed. One pipe, the right this one can come out a man in time, come bed before my son come up, so nobody knows you know. So you can stay down there here.
Anyway, thank you for calling me back because we never have nowhere to stay.
And bedbug, she not going to school.
I don't have no money for send her to school, but she piss bed. You have any plastic?
You have to go buy one mattress. Have you worked towards
I
that
don't
and buy
have no
one
money.
mattress?
I don't have no money. So the floor, me have to go sleep on with her?
Yeah, sleep on the floor so you know can
I
mop
ask if you
up.
can give me 2 sheets still because the floor may be colder or so.
She go piss you up anyway, mommy, so it makes sense.
All right, me use my clothes them in my bag and put on
just
the floor.
wipe you up.
So show me which part
And
to go.
bedbug still not go to school. Me just want to tell you because chef will help you clean up your house.
So no have money, no family have money, for him father now, no me have none.
We
No can
work
help
hard
me
for
to
you,
send her
she
to
not
school.
work to but you cock up a money.
But you have to remember, say I'm no little sister.
Either you take him mommy or you left him. Me can't manage the
All right.
argument.
All right, thanks very much.
All right. Simple here.
Thank you.
Wash sheet.
Thank you very much.
And we take care, you know, that means say I will free. You still have to go to work, you can't look money in your place. And remember, get up before there and be outside at the time. Every 4 o'clock, the door must up so fresh breeze coming in. And come upstairs and let you tell you. You can complain also if you want to, but if you don't want me to if you come up there, don't come upstairs, right?
Yes. Okay.
And don't touch nothing in the cupboard. Because you never provide nothing up there.
Calm down, Brittany. But I just got me to tell you. So just know say I go look and work to make ends meet and help to pay a bill them because we put turn on the light. Oh, you don't have to sleep in the light. You can turn off the light when you're night time.
So let me ask you one question. My daughter, we don't live in this big old mansion here. No pipe no there, no water, no, so we can't get the water. Oh God, when me have to go out the door go there?
Let me show you now. See how the rain and fall. You can go outside, go drink water, catch water, everything.
Alright,
Yes.
no problem.
You don't want no more than that. And not going to stress me out.
And remember, you come here unannounced, you see? So you're lucky to have to work for you and make your come in the house and stay. You're lucky. This is the best you will get. And that may I tell you. Because we now put you in the room we were supposed to rent out.
So, I'll say I want you arching for your band.
And 2 away and 1 sheet to not give me and 1 pillow. And have no more pillow and sheet can give me.
You get that?
I saw work come in. When you work, you give it half your pay or more. You use the rest by one little bath, little soap, and up by a little sheet and stay until you get something. And look here, not true me at all, so you don't have a long stay here. Maybe we give you 2 months, if so much, you stay. No longer than that. Thank you. You understand now?
You can talk to your one second. Wait, one more.
I'm hungry. I know I say I'm hungry. Don't worry, I said to do it. The Lord will provide here. So, the place cold. And I have no piece of sponge can give me. I just 1 sheet you give me and 1 pillow. You could have given me just 2. You have no more pillow you can give you 2 away.
You can go outside, you know? You know you can go outside if you want to, right? Go outside back and look somewhere, go on up in your man where they cherish. If you abandon your land, everything. Go on back. You want everything. We can't do nothing else for you, but we nothing else. So you take care of everything. Because every just put on the ground roll them and you have something to say, you have something to say. If you don't want to stay, you go.
You have anything you can give me, I give your little sister to eat.
What is that right?
We have some food for the dog. We can give her anything to someone.
The food you ain't gonna give the dog what you don't want. You
No,
want,
me eat that
you want
one.
your little sister. Alright, don't worry yourself. Maybe go look for her and see if we can provide something for her. I make you lie down and sleep little. I don't think God will make you dead for you hungry by a man, you hear? I have to walk and look work and see if I can buy something and give you for eat. And I can't make you dead for hungry. You see what your sister them do to it? I did grown look, we have to go sleep on the floor tonight, but we don't have no other option. You have so we have to sleep on. We can't sleep out the door, here rain and fall. Get up and spread up the bed. Lord Jesus. I can't believe. They couldn't just wait until I spread up the bed before they turn off the light. God Almighty. How want me to do them so?
Come now, come. All that. Go back out there with that. You clean place here, your own house here. Go on, man, hurry up. Come on, come. You see them here? These, all of these? You go wash them here. You see this? Don't open it and take out no tight, you know, provide it.
So where's soap there?
Go use Aki. See soap there behind you, this one.
How much dirty plate me have to go wash? And then let me use them. Brittany, 9 months me carry you for. Brittany, I really me your mother. We care for 9 months and push out all them pain me in a labor. Nobody fi help me.
So hold on there. You pay rent? You pay bed bill? So where you come and be yourself for? Me did ask you to give birth to me? Eh? Me did that about when you and your daddy, when you and daddy are gone with no galangins. Anyway, you say 9 months you carry me come for and 9 plate there, so wash them.
Then I mean them out of them? Why me have to clean up one use all the while? Me no use none.
But liberty taking could have come through carelessness. Lady just wash something there because you're not paying the bills here.
Brittany, why you not treat me so? What me do to you now?
Well, let me tell you, this is not foreign, this is Jamaica, but you come to work and live.
And not everybody in Jamaica stand, so me I wonder if me home curse if have pitney like you know. Brittany, you wicked to me as a mother, you know, Brittany, what me do now? Brittany, if me do nothing, please, you intended me. I ask you to forgive me again and again, a million times. Please forgive me. Me sorry, but please stop from treat me like this. Me no have nowhere else to go. Me no eat no food here. I know me use the plate them and I no Jada. Why me have to wash up on a dirty plate them all the while?
So the more you talk, and the longer you take to wash the dirty plate them. Hurry up and wash something them, man. You come and argue with me in the proper place. Remember, you not been nothing yourself, you know? So you don't have no share and part within yourself. Part.
Why out there argue with Candy for? Stop wasting your breath. There is no rest for the wicked, she should not rest. Yes, when I finish the plate, give the place a second wipe and clean the window them too. Cool.
I wouldn't do
Hello,
that.
sir.
How can I cross this?
Morning.
Morning.
You know anybody in this area have any work? Because I'm walking around from when looking for a job and I can't get any. Ari, you have any job can give me, please?
Well, I don't think so, you know, because I have my partner, my wife inside. I mean, I have my wife. So, I mean, I don't think, she can manage, you know. It's not like we need a help or anything like that around, you know. She's very healthy and well, she can manage. I don't think I have any job available.
I'm desperately in need of a job. Please, may I ask you? I understand what you say about your wife, but if I have the grass now, we help you sweep it up. I just want some money to go buy something, give my daughter to eat.
I wish I could help you, but no, man, it's okay. If you live around here?
Yes, I just live right around the corner down there.
All right. So if I hear about anything, I'll let you know, because probably my neighbor or somebody on the scheme might probably need your service. You know, I understand the situation, but it's okay. I'm like I said, it's damn real. Like I said, it's all good on my side. You know, I don't really need help around here. Okay. All right.
Then.
So if I hear anything, I'll let you know, man. You know, and something will pop up. Don't worry yourself or be frustrated. And I know how rough life can be. I used to have it rough. So don't see all this glitter and gold and think it's all 1, 2, 3. Okay.
All right, sir. Thanks.
Yeah, man. Have a blessed day. All right.
All right.
And walk good. Walk good.
Excuse me, pass.
Yeah, babe, so you never tell me say you get helper.
I'm a surrogate. And why you use water wipe the floor? Tell me why you use water wipe the floor. Vinegar there, disinfectant, they use vinegar to floor shine. You go wipe it again. You go wipe it again when you wipe it, sir?
Babes, but early business with you and your mother. Things still non floor and business. I don't care about that. But how you never introduce me to your mother?
Me so talk to you. You don't know half my story, so I'm gonna come jump and judge. And you don't know nothing at all. No disrespect. So 1 minute be. Mind a man here can't have me place, you know? I know, man.
No.
So we jug and back do this and nobody no drink jug and. No, but you have to go left then, because since as you dumb a man here can't, so you have to go leave. So if you want left, because I know why you have no man in here.
You can't see dragon back up on me. And I me put it there. Me think you drink it.
Me not drink dragon, I ask Brittany if she have somebody come over. But make sure.
Me never know me can't use water and wipe the floor.
You're a big woman, if you know you cannot use water, it will make your floor sticky and you're not going to lift up nothing off the floor.
10. You're not fair deal with me, so. I'm not used to your life the way you used to, not because. You know, sister, ask you to come at your place. I just come meet in them big house and meet them kind of life. Yeah. You shame me in front of everybody and your sister. Why you not do it?
Nobody can talk so, make my boyfriend think I'm a bad smarty. Nobody can talk so. Nobody can talk so.
You know what? I kind of feel bad for your mother, you know, and we have to turn up yourself here, you gotta deal with her. So I never expect this of you, I swear. My mother always tell me, say, any woman who has to treat them parents a certain way, you have to be aware of them.
You don't understand. I know my mother, I'm a surrogate. And because she in a hard time now, she come searching or looking something.
I don't work out it, because me love my mother and me not used to them style. I don't work out it.
You come like a crosses. I was so from you come everything I go wrong, nothing at all I go right in that house. Like how you do so? How much demons are follow you so mommy? How much dopey they pay you so? How work pay you so? How so much things you do in life? As you come here, everything I go wrong in this house, well, nothing go right and things was running so smoothly. Give me him up, come on. Why don't I come back every couple of years? Come on, go on. Damn blast after all. And what me do? What me really do? Little girl. Get up.
Sister.
Get up. The biggest mistake I take on you in. I me never take you in either. Me take in mommy and she carry you. I mean, father knows I do nothing in life with bad. I mean, I do nothing that's wrong. Want make so much crosses and follow me up. Father God, I make so much crosses there behind me.
Sister.
Sister what? Me no name sister, me name 10. Me don't relate it none at all. But sister. And all me attack you still lie down. Get up. You look at them can't make me feel no way. Me heart can't shift for you because me just not like you. Me not like mommy. I told me she tough me heart some more. Next thing I'll pissy bed.
Sister, please. Sister, please.
Sister, please what? Sister, please what? Please, sister what?
Don't have a flow cold and tough.
Come out in and me happy put me on by and mash up your face, you know. Because you don't know who me be, you know.
Sister, please.
Please what? Please what? Sister, please. Please
Don't
what?
have a flow cold and tough.
You cold and tough? You tough just like where you go to. You start what you hardship it. Because come out here, I say come out. I don't know where I depend, but I know where I depend. Because I don't know stay here long. Come out, go on. How long mommy has stay here for?
I mean, ask that. Remember, me never want her here in the first place, you know. So that's your decision. Come ready to kick her out right now.
All me and Ma come and me just make have big old argument out this and in gone. Say if I saw me treat me mother. True that they left me come like me money want left me.
You know, some mommy come with crosses and stress and problem and demons and dopey.
And then the little girl around there so we want a lamp pile like a nothing. Spread out in my bed asleep and you run there so like that and go look say little girl in my bed.
So me walk and babysit Scully.
You go buy a little lamp pile for her though.
He will want some worm out.
Brittany? Auntie?
I don't feel good, man. Oh, I'm the back of tear.
So you can't tell me post me come here and check up on you?
I couldn't even talk loud and I couldn't even come on the gun call you. I'm man, I'm going to go about you and I can't reach.
You want to go doctor then?
The pain and me I feel it deserve doctor, yes. But I can't find the full strength to come out of the bed.
I'm going to help you up and we go use the bathroom and we can go doctor here.
Hold on. Wait. Oi.
I wanna go. Bring
You
him
don't
up.
know where we ask you where you go.
I'm not gonna talk to me, son.
No, ask me no question, me ask me nothing at all. You come here to catch it on thin ice, mind the broke. Just humble yourself.
The only reason why I did that ask you now is because Brittany face look like she's sick. Where you go with her, doctor?
You know, say Brittany never sick in her Indian life until you come here ready for you sick. You ask me a question and not do Brittany. And a man in time for you come up, wait until you help me do and call you. Don't come up some man in time. Mommy me a talk to you and you me a chat too. Because we a talk to you, you behave like you're not here. Me say a man in time don't come up unless we tell you to come up. No bad jeans so, a man in time. And make sure you wash out the bin, empty garbage, carry garbage away out of front because the garbage truck hardly come. So go there morning time or evening time or empty. Me don't want to soap yard.
What me do to you? What me gonna really not have no manners to me? You don't forget to say me have no mother? Not because me they catch you, do no. You see me they clean out the place, me I hear you, me not deaf. And because me not turn around and look for you, you go to
Today I know you know, because you say you bring the sick and me dey find you sick carrier or something. Just today I know you. So just lock your mouth before me have to just go on then. If you don't want to stay, you feel uncomfortable, go. You want to stay or you want to go?
Look at man, me in a pain, me out for dead. Tap chat to that sitting there, no man. Come make me go and tap show.
Good evening.
Good evening. So where is she going now?
Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'll bring her, we'll do some little tests, run some tests on her, and ensure say everything is alright, alright?
Okay then.
Take your time, take your time. Alright. Alright, so
Should I come?
no man, just give me about me just run some tests and bring her come, okay?
Okay then.
Alright, Mrs. Jones. Alright, so you can see you're very tired.
So what wrong with her now?
I mean, the result them now come back so fast, but based on the symptoms then that what she has show,
Yes.
possibly it can be kidney failure. Alright, don't be alarmed, man. But that there is just some tests that are running.
So what me I go do me fi give her? Where we go from here so?
Alright, the best thing for you and her to do now is ensure she should drink a lot of water and some cranberry juice and stay off the heap of sweets that she having because her blood is sweet. As soon as the result then come back, then I can give you more information on that, alright? But listen, if it's kidney failure, it's possible she might have to do a transplant or she might have to go on dialysis. We probably have to run out some tests on you to see if you're a match.
So I can actually come inside now and run the test so it will we result come out the same time?
Yeah, man, you can come on, but let me just let she park properly.
No park her in case I lost me here. Give me a career.
Where you going to be that?
Me thirsty.
You thirsty? You know, sister, we don't know where to go. You know, sister, no want to pin them, put me underneath the basement to sleep. We don't know where to go. You're not tired to sleep on the floor. Remember, say your piece bed already, and since you come up here, you piece out the whole of the floor down there. Man, you have to get up and clean. You rank up the whole of the basement. And you have to clean up your man then before they come down, because I don't want them run you out. No, you can't take out them drinks. If you then say we there, then you out them food. Put it back.
So me I go drink.
Give me it. You want them run you out here? You better we drink water with the bread. Me not trouble them juice. Put it back. Give me this.
Me tired of the life, you know. Tired of all them achieve. Why we not go back home to daddy?
To your dirty corruption, Poopa. Jada, you really want your mother to go get pure beaten again? You know, sorry for me. The amount of lick them when you lick me. Up to the neighbor, them hear him and beat me over there and they post me like a dog and afraid to talk to him. Oh, the man wicked and cruel and heartless. Can you imagine people afraid to even say hi to him? Why you want to go back down there? You want him to kill you?
Me better off down there.
You better off down there. You see when you go back down there and then me have to go come chew your girl child and me have to go they protect you. Eh? And then when he do anything, Babylon go and lock me up, say me and him kill you and I'm not going. Me nah go, we will drink water and the bread. Anyway, me know say you're hungry, me baby. Don't worry yourself. Still they have hope they don't miss it because I'm more than one slice in there. But that is one jug of drinks and then marky. The way they wicked, watch out. You almost dash the devil wicked. Anyway, they will take out only two. No, but I take out none behind me back enough. I'm afraid that then you know see how them do it. Hold this baby. Me nah no butter, we nah no jam, no peanut butter.
Butter in there.
No. Butter in there?
Yeah.
No chocolate, me afraid of them. No trouble, me eat the same way. God will bless you. You won't tap away throat. Me go catch some water. Alright, no matter that. Drink some. No, don't need, me baby. Me afraid of them. Me no want to take out no more water out of the pipe. They will kill me.
Bread dry, no mommy.
They mark all the amount of water they left in the pipe. Give me a piece of the bread. Alright, I just have one little piece now.
Brittany,
Oi,
what we are going to do?
I don't know. Because your doctor said me might need kidney. I hope me don't need it.
I suppose me no want match for you.
You match them, you know, same mother, same father we are talking, but you have to match.
That not say Brittany. Right now I'm worried and stressed out and you there and you feel pain now and then and you not say nothing at all to me because the doctor say you have to feel it for a while and you wait to get this bad.
Maybe think you're regular back pain, you know. But
If anything, we have to ask mommy, you know.
ask me for
The kidney.
which kidney? You don't want? Me don't want my kidney. That surprise me.
You have to put that aside.
Mommy a carbine.
Brittany, we can't do nothing else. I'm here stressed out and we can't bother to lose here. We have to depend on dialysis and sit that I want next whole heap of money spending. And we just launch our like a business, you know. We don't know if it will pick up to his speed and we go job back out the whole of money for this Brittany, you know, make no sense.
In Jesus' name, I'm not dead. I'm going to live and declare. But we know how mommy kidney.
I don't know what to do.
If I do it until the time comes.
You can't say that I alone me have a thing for yourself, you think selfish now.
But mommy, I'm going to do 10-10.
We just sit down and pray for when the doctor call you a good news and a bad news.
So I'm going to do for you.
When he say 1 to 2 days, he will call you night.
For the result.
Hello?
Yes, good afternoon. Is this Miss Thompson?
Yes.
Okay, this is Dr. Brown calling from Medicare hospital. We have gotten back the result for your sister's test, and I'm sorry to inform you that it seems like she has stage 4 kidney disease, and she's going to need stage 4 kidney disease, and she's going to need a kidney transplant or possibly go on dialysis.
So what do we go for here? So yes, I am still here.
All right, so basically, in a case like this, we'd have to come in, set up a consultation for you both, and then
so I wasn't a match. I wasn't a match.
Kidney transplant or dialysis.
I wasn't a match.
No, unfortunately, you weren't a match.
Okay then,
Right, so,
thank you.
So talk it over with your sister, and then you get back to me. And I mean, if you have other family members that you can bring to the office, then we can also check if they're match.
Okay then.
All right, then have a wonderful day. And I'm sorry to bring the beer of bad news. All right.
Yes, no problem.
All right.
Brittany, I want to. The doctor just called. And he don't look good and I want good news. He said you're stage 4, you have to get dialysis. Sorry, you have to get one do one of Brittany. Get me to know what to do.
So dead, me I go dead then.
I don't know.
So me I go to 10-10. Me I go dead. You couldn't knock. You come in here for. Me and my sister can't have peace. You come in the house turn upside down.
Hear me out. Just hear me out, please. Me know you don't like me. But me ask you to forgive me. Me no want to feel say me a eavesdrop on no conversation. Please, me a beg you. Nobody think so. Me overheard when the two they talk about the sickness. Where you have, Brittany. Me know say you're sick. Me willing to give you one of my kidney. Brittany, you are my daughter. And me no want you
Keep
dead.
your pies kidney. I don't want nothing from you. I prefer dead first.
Brittany, me understand how you feel about me. But I never my fault. I did not have any choice. No choice at all, me never have. You see, who no gone to no father gone live? Me I live glad to because me never have it. I feel him and his family them choice. I don't mind. If I'm me alone, you stay with me and me walk and watch people dirty clothes and help you know. But them did have it, me never have it. Me have to give all I want to no papa and no papa family them. Me ask you no, if you no can forgive me, please. I'm willing to put my life on the line just to save your life. Brittany, please forgive me. Me not do nothing, you know. Me not do nothing, but you just grew up with this hatred in our heart for me. Say me grew no way to no father. But you have to understand, me never have it. When they suffer, we do not too much calm. You don't understand when I go through it, you know.
Brittany, I feel safe to take it. Because I don't want to lose you alone. I have Brittany. Who me go have if you're dead and gone and dialysis and so. We have money, but like we have enough millions and stuff to go through different procedure. So we have to work with what we have now and move in a year. And I got send her because see that she moving, but they did that suffer with a long time and no rewards. So I come like a God send her if we just give her 1 second chance. You have to do this. I can't lose you, not today. I hear. I want a chance.
10, may I ask you not to forgive me? I just want to help you, Brittany. I don't want about nothing from you. I just want to save your life. I don't want you to be dead. I love you.
I'm sorry. Listen to me, calm down. Jada, calm down now. Calm down, listen to me. Things are going to be much better. Me know you feel I'm sorry, me never get to tell mommy sorry enough and thank her enough for she do for Brittany. But me I go start sending her to school. Me I go change over things and break the family tradition to we live bad. We are going to live as one family here. Me I go there here for you. I promise you that, sister. I promise you, me never going to neglect you here.
Alright, so me and the entire team there, and we appreciate the fact that you guys take the time out to watch the video. I don't know why I can't look at me so still, but we'll be glad to take the time out to watch our video and show support. In order for that video to get a whole heap of views, we need you to comment. We need you to share the video on all social media platforms. If you have Facebook, if you have Instagram, if you have WhatsApp, just share it up so your friends can watch it and so more people can know about what we've been doing over here at Richard Brown Films, which is making great content for YouTube and just spreading good vibe and good message, because you don't know the world right now need people like myself and others who have a positive energy and want to make the world know, say, yo, we are doing things to make a change. Everybody where you see there right just already right now, I help to make the thing grow. You know what I mean? I said these are the people where we don't consider say are the team. No, and then you still find people come in and drop a 1 cent, drop them 2 cents and do them thing and then cut again. But you don't know, say these are the core people where we are used on a day-to-day basis. So big up to everybody that we contribute financially now and then. Big up to the people who call and say, yo, we love what we do. We appreciate the work we do. Big up to Prolong HD, I drop in now and then to put in some work. I help if we make the thing go same way. Paradise Station in our background. Public over there, so public soon fly out. So you don't know, say, I'm soon the back line place. Public page grow. And we like that too. 1010 have film little YouTube channel too. And Candy, other day we drop a movie over Candy channel, and you know I'm going to, but I do a little thing same way. So if you're not if you're not subscribe to any one of those channels, please do so. Candy Empress at Richard Brown Films. Make sure you subscribe. 1010 original. Paradise Nation over there, so, and then Public Report. You don't know, Prolong HD, same way. And then I think Wiz just launched one channel. What channel name Wiz?
Digital Wiz Films.
Digital Wiz Films.
Yes.
So make sure you subscribe to Film YouTube channel too. And you don't know for all of the other persons who are affiliated with what we are doing. Big up to yourself. Jamie Wood over there, so go on with them things same way. Big up to everybody over there, so. Make sure you subscribe to them if you don't subscribe. And I think they just drop a brand new movie too. So make sure you watch it. You know what I say? And big up to Popeye, big up to every single person who they are going to do things same way. So big up to yourself. And catch you in the next movie. Alright?